Hello everyone, let's learn how to play YouTube videos in the background. Have you ever wanted to listen to your favorite songs or watch educational content on YouTube while multitasking on your phone? I have a solution for your problem. Just stay till the end of the video and find out. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First you need to go on your web browser. I will go on Chrome. Then go on search bar and type www.youtube.com. When you do that, you will come on mobile version of YouTube on Chrome. Now open any video or song you want to play in background. I will go on song by Lakey Inspired, Better Days. Next we need to change on desktop version of site. We will do that by tapping on 3 dot in top right corner of the screen, and then enable desktop site. After that we need to minimize this video, and then you can go out of Chrome, but don't clear Chrome of history, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.